It's a Photoshop series. We are going to create the new videos. So I will show you the tools you can use here. I will find the shapes to generate. It's a demo video where you can learn about it and get an idea how you can use these shapes for your own designs. I will try to explore the options. So then we will create another design. Let's have a structure there. Make another shape. So let's create another one. Use a heart shape design to explore there. So we will take it a new shape. We have to add it.